Have you ever wondered what an Ayurvedic breakfast plan looks like? Well, let's delve into the world of Ayurveda and discover the power of a balanced diet. Imagine starting your day with a stewed apple, 2 mung bean pancakes, and a cup of almond milk. This is the breakfast for day 1. Cooked apples are easier on the digestive tract than fresh ones, making them a great start for your morning. Day 2 introduces a tropical twist with a sliced banana, a whole wheat burrito filled with black beans and egg whites, all complemented by a cup of green tea. On the 3rd day, Poha takes the center stage. This uncooked basmati rice, rolled thin much like rolled oats, is paired with a cup of cooked vegetables and a refreshing mint tea. Poha is not only easy to prepare, but also high in prana, the life-giving force in Ayurvedic philosophy. Day 4 brings a hint of sweetness with a stewed pear, 2 spiced zucchini fritters, and a cup of soy milk. Moving on to day 5, you'll enjoy a scrambled egg seasoned with pepper and cumin, a cup of spiced oatmeal, and a cup of cumin water. Day 6 is a feast of flavors with a cup of mixed berries, 2 sun-dried tomato and basil frittatas, and a cup of invigorating ginger tea. Finally, day 7 rounds out the week with a slice of whole grain bread, mango chutney, and a cup of spiced tea. This 7-day Ayurvedic breakfast plan is a perfect blend of proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. It not only satisfies your taste buds, but also keeps your body's doshas in equilibrium. Remember, each meal should be warm and consumed in a calm environment. If possible, enjoy your fruits half an hour before your breakfast, or keep them as a midday snack. To recap, this plan takes you on a 7-day journey, each day offering a unique combination of healthy, protein-rich foods. From stewed apples and mung bean pancakes to spiced zucchini fritters and sun-dried tomato frittatas, it's a breakfast adventure that fuels your body and nourishes your soul. Remember, Ayurveda is not just about what you eat, but also how you eat it. So enjoy each meal mindfully and embrace the journey to a healthier you. This Ayurvedic breakfast plan is a stepping stone towards that goal. Bon appétit!